number kali ML05C kendai iway prasan subhaban pelatlam kendai iway prasan ke number kali kendai iway prasan.
Hello, hello. Hello, everyone. A very good evening to each and every one of you present here today. Are you all excited for the grand finale of Kasurkin Ud? Are you all excited? I can't hear you guys. Okay, without any further delay, now we are going to start off with the competition. But before we proceed ahead with the competition, now I would like to call on stage Father Primus Aim to kindly lead us with the prayer and to also give the welcome address.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Don Bosco Youth Center events on 31st January 2024. Let us listen to the summary of today's events briefly. About Don Bosco Youth Center, Shillong. A home away from home for thousands of young people from Meghalaya and the Northeast and other parts of the country. It serves as a vocational training center with job placement opportunities. About Sur Kanut, the reason that we have assembled here today. This is the second season of the singing competition, Kasur Kanut. Similar to the global talent promotion show The Voice, the participants are trained or coached from Monday to Friday and compete against each other on Saturdays. The aim of the competition is to inspire young people to engage in positive activities, provide a platform for talented children and young people, and enable those who cannot afford it to receive vocal training. About DBMN TV Youth Icon. DBMN TV is a communication department of the Salesians of Don Bosco in Shillong. We have a TV channel available on OTT for smart television, a YouTube channel for social media, and also available on Lelanki Cable Network channel 279 on local cable. Graduation of the winter camp. For 6 consecutive years, Don Bosco Youth Center has been organizing a winter computer camp that offers various short-term computer courses and internships to underprivileged students in the Northeast or other states in India. The camp also aims to keep youngsters busy during the winter holidays and divert them from other harmful activities. Thank you to Honorable Chief Minister. The Don Bosco Youth Center would like to thank the Chief Minister, Shri Conrad.
jinglung trong kami, ya jinglung trong kami. Kublai Shibun.
Kublai Shibun Catherine ya katu kasur jing rai ke basngo tenat da shisha ka jongpi menta kum nehi ngin sayo se contestant ibabut bat ita ide iblis dora bat hadian jong iblis dora iban sabet in long ibala kriya.
Kublai pibaro kakerteng jonga kadai iblis dora khandriam madan khat arsnam karta ngasyong sa ahmaulai moyong Jepung kasnang try jonga pat kadai namen kram Basentia Hills idan arngut chipara pat ngadai iban kongdu ngachong ngansalet class 7 ha ajing shai English Secondary School kajing angnu jonga kajing em kadai bangan long successful singer ban ngajus ngotenat ban vai ban tem ban chat nga strang ban vai na du bang ngadang ren bat ngalaji seminta tang hero akibai pat kijat competition kabapenlong yang abangan yu seminta kadi kasurkan ud kadai lengba kajung MCM jong ki bahiyeng imei ipa bat ise vinyaru ibalong iterlak jonga haot ngalayo shibun kijing mentoy na kani ka surkan ud bat ngalayo ru shibun kijing hikai na i miskin kor ibalong i coach jonga ibalayarap yang ngahadu bangan poisya ka final haot ngakerman ban jom bat ladang jom nga temu bangan laban poisya kirinsan ki bakam he
you so much, Bliss Dora, for that beautiful song. But mentakum nihi ngan khot no saya iban sabit. But hadian jong I ibawan hun shisha in long ibala kriya.
Kakerteng jonga kadepan sebet Mary Kongsni ngasong nga sa halat ningkon ngidan san much para nga ngade ibaar bat ngaladon katwais nam karta. Ngadang di kelas 7 Hasi Mary's English School. Lada kalong ka jengje jong ublay nga kwa ban long uniam kum I sister bat ngajus ngutanad ban ruai bat banten piano. Kani kadi kesin kabalai bangala shim bentaha kani competition bat kabapenong yang bangan rai biang kani ke surkenut kalong bangan nang improve susu eladir bat bangan nang ruai kampha. Tingala asdam ban rai nadu bangadang rit bat ki bapenshlo dengan ban rai ide ime ipa ki hemen ki para bat baro ki father ki sister bat ki brother. Nadu bangala shim bentaha kani ke surkenut niyo jumentoy shibun namar bangi niyo ya ka coaching class ni Miss Lapdang ba Miss Kenkor. Paon nga dan jingkemen banjak ikani competition balada ngajak ikani competition yang trade shitom shushu bangan pui syakatong.
The window is open, so is that door. I didn't know they did that anymore. Who knew we owned 8,000 salad plates? For years I've roamed to empty halls. Why have a ballroom with no balls? Finally they're opening up the gates. There'll be actual real life people. It'll be totally strange. But wow, am I so ready for this change? 'Cause for the first time in forever, there'll be music, there'll be light. For the first time in forever, I'll be dancing through the night. Don't know if I'm a leader or gassy, but I'm somewhere in that zone. 'Cause for the first time in forever, I won't be alone. Tonight, imagine me gown and all, fetchingly draped against the wall, a picture of sophisticated grace. I suddenly see him standing there, a beautiful stranger, tall and fair. I wanna stuff some chocolate in my face, but then we laugh and talk all evening, which is totally bizarre. Nothing like the life I've led so far. 'Cause for the first time in forever, there'll be magic, there'll be fun. For the first time in forever, I could be noticed by someone. And I know it is totally crazy to dream I'd find romance. But for the first time in forever, at least I've got a chance. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, put on a show. Make one wrong move and everyone will know. But it's only for today, it's agony to wait. Tell the guards to open up the gate. For the first time in forever, I'm getting what I'm dreaming of. A chance to change my lonely world, a chance to find true love. And I know it is totally crazy to dream I'd find romance, but for the first time in forever, for the first time in forever, things in my way. Thank you.
Thank you so much Ban Sabet. Bat mentakom dia ngan khat no ya ibawan hun shisha, bat hadian jong ieme yaka inlong ibala kriya.
Kerteng chonga kadai baun hun shisha karsati. Masyong ngasa hapo marbanyang senyong. Adi try nong lapo la jam. Dan pras nam katang adi kon iba maray. Nalit school hapo Carmel School sado. But ngan kyo na class 3 ban ngajus ngutanat ban dry ban shot ban ka drawing ban ka swimming ngajupet barabar man kumto kabala ya kasur kunun kabala ada man haun nusnam ado arsnam nga sedang ban dry ban may bala ay mansim nga bat ipa ila ay mansim nga ibahayang rakila ay mansim nga bangan dry kani kadikasin ka bening kong bangayang stage nga so kamen bangala yo sim hakani ka sirkun un bangala shlur bangan yang stage ho ladalong kaman jo play nga kamen bangan job ladang ajab ya kena ke computation ningkong ngan ai ka budum show play bangan tentebet show ya ladeh kerteng
thank you so much Bawan Hun Shisha for that beautiful song and your beautiful expression too. Timentak kom ni ngan khot no sia Amy Yaka.
Berteng jonga kedai imia kali saswet ngasong asa amok sim suara ngadon arngut cipara bat ngadai baar ngaladon post nam karta. Kapulih ke kelas 5 Harama Krishna High Secondary School suara. Hobi jonga kedai bandruai besides singing ke aim jonga kalong to become a doctor. Ngatang bandruai nadu saus nam karta but day na ime ipa kibahayeng hasem kiba pensilur baraboyanga but I mesib yanga bangan numpil na ya kan dikasap ke bau ble la ayanga kacing benta jonga kan dikasur kun ut kalong bangalong kena baslur mencoy bangiyo na kan dikasur kun ut kalong bangiyo kicing sneng jing crown na kamtam na ifada but ba kicing kai bangiyo na ki judges but bang ngayok kalat ban kendu eki palok temai ki bayar walam patnya hoy la dalong kamon ublay ngasus camp ban job ladang ngajab ya kani ka competition ngan penjebet syu elade bat ngan kesan elade haki jing pule jonga bat haki eki jing dan kam kiba ngadon kam.
Shakalawe Bapir Nai Ngan Sing Dang Stepper Ngap Ka Ting Shan Gat Ai Men Sim Ka Pen Tengan Ngan Dang Them Mai Jing Em Ba Shet Hem Jing Em Ba Shet Hem Thank you.
Thank you so much, Imeyaka. And I request each and every one of you to kindly please give a huge round of applause to all the 5 contestants who have just performed for us today. Thank you so much, and we wish you all the very best. The minta ko hingin sa danno ya ka Shelia Memorial Award, and the main objective and motive behind presenting the award is to inspire and acknowledge a Salesian who has regularly contributed news reports to the province website, newsletter and YouTube channel through the year 2023. Don Bosco Media Network of the Salesian Shillong Province felicitate and honor a Salesian with the Shelia Memorial Award on every 31st of January. The award is given in honor of Father Shelia, who founded Don Bosco Youth Center and was also a writer, a communicator, and an inspirer to many Salesians. This year, we have 12 nominees, and among them, Brother May Bantay Lang Lingdo is selected by the jury. And now, may I invite the Vice Provincial and Father Michael Macri to kindly do the honor. And the award consists of a memento, a plaque, and a cash of rupees 15,000. So we would like to congratulate dear Brother Mebantay Lang. And since I think Brother Mebantay Lang is not here, so his cousin will receive the award on his behalf.
So for the award, as we have heard in the introduction, it is an initiative by the Don Bosco Media Network of the province. I know we are still quiet because the CM has not yet arrived. We are all in tension. No, so securities are everywhere, so we are frightened even to move around. Anyway, you can relax. Nothing is going to happen, so you can relax. Yeah, so this award is given today to Brother Mebantay, who has really contributed a lot in the way of writing, reporting news for the Salesian province. Today is the Feast of Don Bosco. So we wish you also a happy Feast of Don Bosco. And in honor of Don Bosco and in honor of the province, we will facilitate Brother Mebantay. He is not here, and his cousin is here to give the award, to receive the award.
Thank you so much for the Vice Provincial for doing the honor, and also to Father Michael Macri. But menta kom ni hingin sayo asngaw se kaway pat ka jingrai ne iway ne plenki coach ibala ju coach ki kina nakabenta ka Surkin Ut season 2, but ita ide I coach Ken Kor, but hadin jong ingin sayo pat say ka jingkran na if Vice Provincial.
'Cause I'll never change all my colors for you. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much. Just all that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion inside can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms with you there. Or must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you. You see through, right through the heart of me. You break down my walls with the strength of your love. And I never knew love like I've known it with you. Will a memory survive? Oh, what I can hold on to. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I wanna hold it back again. This passion inside can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Your love I remember forever. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms with you there. Or must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. Or must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. Don't you dare walk away from me. Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you. If I don't. Kublai-Sibun.
Kublai-Sibun ken kor ya ketuk surging rai ka bas ngotinat bat ka ba da shisha. Ngilai ikat tu bagi rai kini ki sangut ki contestant syak khamat dei. Bali ki rai bahak tu tu mentang ala ngotu na mangidan ki coach ki bat bet bahaban hikai ki. Ti Kublai-Sibun samla ken kor. Now I would like to call on stage Vice Provincial. So as today we gather here for the grand finale of Kasurkin Ud Season 2. And that is not only the reason, it is also the feast day of Don Bosco. It is because of him that we all are here today for the grand finale of Kasurkin Ud Season 2. Although in spirit Don Bosco is here, but in person we have our superior for the John, the Vice Provincial and the Provincial elect. May I invite him to give a short message on the feast day of Don Bosco.
Good afternoon to everyone, especially Father Michael McRae, the Director of Youth Center, and Father Primus, Assistant Director, Father James, Economer, and fathers, and all my dear friends. I'm very happy to be present for the first time like this competition, Kasurkin Ud second season. Last year it was already done, and on the feast of St. John Bosco, I think on this same day that the final was held here in this place. And it is very appropriate and quite fitting to have this competition on the feast of St. John Bosco, who worked so much for the young people, who gave his life for the young people, who continue to inspire so many young people, and so many of us fathers and sisters continue to work for the young people. One of them we have like this youth center. So the youth center is rendering service to the young people here in and around Shillong, in Meghalaya, and other states too. So I hope that this center will continue to serve the young people in every way possible. And as I said, it is very fitting because on this feast day, the Don Bosco feast day, we are having this competition, this second season grand finale, because Don Bosco used to say that a Salesian house or oratory or youth center, we can also say, without music is a body without a soul. So a house without music is a body without soul. So very important for us, music is part and parcel of our life. We are singing together, individually sometimes, maybe sometimes we're singing together, praising God. All of us are singing. And so through the music, we are able to also communicate something. We are giving information. We are also communicating our culture. And through our expression, through our voices, we are making others happy. And we are communicating our culture and life. It is a very important music part and parcel of our life. So I hope that all the participants of the competition will continue to develop their talents, and they will continue to shine, and the Lord will bless them. So as I was listening, I was reminded of the film, The Sound of Music. All of us might have seen The Sound of Music. So The Sound of Music, in that family, those who are singing. So the father, Captain von Trapp, that when he married again Maria, and singing, a very good singer, teaching the children singing and making them happy in the house. The words that he said, "Thank you for bringing back music to our house. Thank you for bringing back music to our house." So we thank also the organizers for not only bringing back, but these ones making us happy through this music and through their songs and through their voices. I hope you will continue to shine, will continue to develop your musical talents and your voices. And I wish you all the best, and I wish you a pleasant evening and afternoon to all of you. God bless you all.
Thank you so much for the Vice Provincial for that beautiful speech, and also for highlighting us about the life of Don Bosco, and also for encouraging our contestants. So without any further delay, now I would like to call the next contestant, kata I Arlene. I Arlene yau penyau pat hadian jong I, in sayo pada si I Gwenet.
Kuplay shibu ni pi baro, kakrtek jonga kadai are nyau penyau. Bat ngasong ngasa maulai mau tawar. Ngaladon katbais nem karta, ngadai ikun bamarway, ngan salit kelas 6, Hasinan Higher Secondary School. Kajing ang no janga kadai bangan rai, bat ban pen ya kari bat kajat ben riu, daki surten rai. Ngasngu tenat ban rai bat bangan tem. Ngalas dang ban rai nadu saus nam karta, kibaan men sem yang idai may bat ibahayen. Kabapenlok yang bangan shem bentah kani kasurkan un, kadai bangan pentepech shoot hakakam rai, bat ban say patay ka sap kabangadan. Hoon ngayo shibun kajimintoy kabangayo kadai ba ngayo shibun kijingkay hakabaday ban rai ding ba kajingkay jang inis lapayang. Hoon nga kermen bangan job hakani kasurkan po season 2 ladang nga job kajing temu janga kadai bangan pentebet shoot ya kasap rai bat ban telat music video.
Kublai Shibun.
Wow, kublai shibun have barit Arlene ya katu kasur jing raga bas ngoten at dasha. Tekom ka jing ayman siem ya ingin ay ka jing ta puti ka ba kam jam na ka benta jong i. But menta kom ni hingan khot no i Gwenet but hadian jong i Gwenet i Aida Mesha in long ibalakria.
Kublai pibara ngakateng i Gwenet tidora bimatho ngasong sa amal kinong silyang. Ngadai ikon marway ngaladon kar asnam kerta bat ngamodle kelas 7 hasilang public school. Kajing angnod hajing im janga kadai bangan long inong roy ibat ben bangan poi syak international level. Ngajus ngautenat ban roy ban syat bat bentang ngalajus dang ban roy nadu por bangadon lasnam kerta ide ime be ipa ba aimin sim yang aban roy. Kabapenlong manganuan simbenta biang hakani ke circle word season 2 kadai bangan yo susu kijing hikai kum bangayo na ke circle word season 1 bat ke circle word nyam hoy ngayo bun kijing mentoy na ke circle word kum ki experience bat kum no bangan use ya ki voice control dynamics bat ki way hoy nyakan ban bangan job kani ke circle word season 2 Bat ladang a job ngatmu bangan pentebet susu ialah dia hakasap ruai.
Thank you so much, Gwyneth, for that beautiful song. And the next contestant is Aida Mesha. And after Aida Mesha, Ellery, can you please be ready?
Kublaya pi baro kakerteng jonga kade Aida Mesha wankar bat ngasong sa apo lai mer nong se apo shlong nia don lai ngot chipara kan thai suda bat mga ngade baningkong ro bat ngaladap ru ya ka graduate na po St. Edmunds College ya ka social work background kikam ki ba ngasong tunat ha kaching MH te kade ningkong e ba ngan roi bat bangan sngap ikijing roi bat nalo jong kataru ngasong tunat ban krekot ikikena ban shim tuition yaki ban yelekai bat kiwe ru ngalas dang ban roi na do ba ngadang ridhi bat ngalas dang ru ban roi hayeng mani bat i mei bat i papa ila ai min semanga bat kumjuru ki parlok bat ki bahayang hasan kaba penlong nga bangan syembenta hakani ka surken out season 2 kalong ba ngakwa ban lat yakini ki stage fright dan yakini ki crowd fright namar ba ngakam long nasyapting bah ban rai ha ba bun ki brio let's say kani ka jiwan syembenta jonga hakani ka surken out season 2 kala ban yarap yanga bangan lat na kitu ki jingting ki jing sir barok ke aim in life jonga te kalong ba nga kwa hi banong successful person ha ka jing em jonga bat kum juru nga kwa bandong kanong rai hi ka bapau ha ka jela ki jing mentoy ki ba ngayo na kani ka surken out season 2 ling ba i mam lapdeng iba la ai ki vocal exercise nga bande ila airo ki vocal exercise bande ki high notes ba ki low notes nga sngo ba kini ki exercise ki ba mai ila ai nga bande ikini ki exercises man kasni hayeng bat kum juru hang ne po Don Bosco kala yarap shibun e yang bangan na ban rai ki jing rai ki bangam la rumun sha ban rai henry menta ngala la iki ban rai lingba ki vocal exercise ki ba imam ila ai yang bangan practice man kasni hayeng bat kum juru hang ne nga germen hi yala de bangan poi shakathong hakani ka season 2 jong ka surken on ka jing tmu jong ate ladang apoi shakani ka thong hakani ka surken out season 2 kalong ba ngakwa hi ban pentipet yala de haka rwai ka siaw bangan poi hi shakata ka thong ka ba nga ang not hi na du man shwadang rit kubleshpon I can run
kublai shibun aida mesha ya to kasur ko aga bas ngoten nat da shisha ka jongpi but menta kum ni hingin khot no ye ellery but hadian jong I iket ku par in long ibala kre
Kublai pi baro kerteng jonga kadai ellery dar di karkongor ngasang sa hadum dum nong thamai but nga ladan khatsaus nem karta ngasang class 10 ha auxilium girls high secondary school ngadan rengut shipara but ngadai iba khaddu do na ki rengut shipara ka jing angnut bag jing thrang jonga ha jing em kadai bangan long doctor bangan sumari kibreo ka jing sultanat jonga bangan le kadai ban roi te kani kasab ka phang ka bangadon kadai ke ka penlong yang nga ban wan shim banta kani ka surkun ut season 2 but ka jing I'm sim jong email pa but ki hinman jonga but ki pana school ru ki nong hikai jonga but ki sisters but ki pana lok para jor jonga ru te nga las dang man roi na do lais nem saus nem karta ki bun ki jing mento ki bangalayo na kani ka surkun ut season 2 but da ka banga pet iki participants ha kani ka surkun ut nga yo ru ka jing hikai ra de but na ka jing hikai jing ki coaches jingi nga ngayo shibun ba ki rukum hikai jung I but ka rukum roai jung haru kala compare ma namar barabar nga shit roai bha ki classical piece classical music ne hakabon hakani ka circle out pang roai di pop song te ka rukum hikai kala pher ba nga snow scam ba nga kermen bangan job hakani ka circle out but ladang nga job hakani ka circle out season 2 ngan smoke men namar bang layo plan kam hau ikani ka sab ka phang ka bau bleu la ai hanga
Just look at me and you will see there's more than meets the eye. Where a lady's been, where a lady's seen, are proofs that never lie. Could I
Thank you so much, Ellery, for that beautiful song. We are very delighted to have our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, here. So as a sign of welcoming our dearest Chief Minister, let us all rise up and give him a huge round of applause. This is the second season of Kasurkan Oaths singing competition, similar to the global promotion show, The Voice. Participants are trained or coached every Monday to Friday, and on Saturdays, they compete with each other. Those with the lowest points are eliminated, and others progress to the next round. Over 2 months, they receive free vocal training from 2 professional coaches. Ultimately, at the grand finale, the winner will receive 1 lakh rupees and represent for international competitions like UK Vocal Star or USA The Voice. In the first season, Shavinia was crowned as the first winner and also won the UK Vocal Star in 2023. The competition aims to engage youth in positive activities, provide a platform for talented youths and children, and offer free vocal training opportunities to those who cannot afford them. So we are very delighted to have our Honorable Chief Minister here today, and we welcome you, sir, and we hope we will enjoy the grand finale of Kasurkan Oaths Season 2. And now, without any further delay, I would like to call the next contestant, and that is Kit Kopar, and as a mark of encouragement, can you please give him a huge round of applause?
Hakabaning kong ngasngoban aingo iublei ubala dan rangkat bat nga haduk kani ka klip mat ka pamenta tie ka kerteng jonga ka di Kit Kopar nong si ngadai na kasnong kenshi ka bahap hapo ka Eastern West Khasi Hills District nga puli haniha St. Anthony's College Shillong bat ngadon saungut sipara ngadai ibahe du ka jengang no jonga ka jeng jonga ka long bangan long u nong ruai ubat-bet om tang bangan susakut na tahani ha jalala jong Rei kalong bangan mi syakmat ban penpau berthai ya kasap ka bangang ngadon ka ba ubli ula ai hanga ti ngala stang ban ruai na do kapor mangadang dam rius nam ti ngala shim benta ha yeng mani bat ha kapor bang nang dap spos nam I mimi papa jonga kila ai man sim yang abangan let shim benta ha ki competition ki ba pher apo jong ka jala ti ka jingwan jonga ha kani ka Kasurkan Oaths Season 2 Kamdi bangat mu ya katoka silak tingkamo rei kalong bangan yo ro ye shibun kicing hikai kumba I coach I jonga I mislap yang ilahi kayanga kumno bangan roai kumno bangan kenut tantai hoi ngala yo shibun ki jing mentoy hakane ka Kasurkan Oaths hakabai dei bat ka roai ka siao ya ka ba kilahi kayanga kumno bangan roai hakane ka competition ka pamentate ngasngo ka kham jwat khandiat namar ba ni iba kidan ki nong ruai ki ba tebet ka jing thmu jonga ladang job ikani ka Kasurkan Oaths Season 2 how news nem uba menta kalong ba ngan pendon kam ya ka pisah kaban lechim menta haki lakadeha national level ne international ru ladang ayolat
with my face turned to the sun, weight on my shoulders, a bullet in my gun. Oh, I got eyes in the back of my head, and just in case I have to run, I do what I can when I can while I can for my people. And while the clouds roll back and the stars fill the night, that's when I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home, far across the river. Can you hear freedom calling, calling me to answer? Gonna keep on, keep it on. I can feel it in my bones. Early in the morning, before the sun begins to shine, we're gonna start moving towards that separating line. I'm wading through muddy waters. I got a made up mind, and I don't mind if I lose any blood on the way to salvation. And I fight with the strength that I got until I die. That's when I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home, far across the river. Can you hear freedom calling, calling me to answer? Gonna keep on, keep it on. Might be hard to face 'cause I'm alone, and I just might fail, but Lord knows I tried. Sure as stars fill up the sky. Stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home, far across the river. Can you hear freedom calling, calling me to answer? Gonna keep on, keep it on. I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home, far across the river. Can you hear freedom calling, calling me to answer? Gonna keep on, keep it on. I'm gonna take my calling me to answer. Gonna keep on, keep it on. I can feel it in my bones. I go to prepare a place for you. I go to prepare a place for you. I go to prepare a place for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kit Kopar, for that beautiful song, and let us give him a huge round of applause once again. Now we will have the felicitation of the Chief Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and honored Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma, on this special occasion, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma for gracing us with his presence. His unwavering support to the Don Bosco Youth Center reflect his dedication to the welfare of the youth. Mirroring the spirit of Don Bosco himself, and as we celebrate the feast day of Don Bosco, a patron of youth, we acknowledge Shri Conrad K. Sangma's commitment to empowering the younger generation. We sincerely thank him for his valuable time and look forward to his inspiring words that will resonate with the youth present here today. And now, may I invite our director and the youth to felicitate our beloved Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sangma.
So many gifts. Thank you so much. The speech will be later. Okay. So you'll give. Sure.
Thank you so much, sir, and thank you to our director for doing the honor. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Shevinia, who was the winner of the first season of Kasurkin Ode, and also the winner of UK Vocal Star 2023. And I request Shevinia to kindly come on stage.
Hello, check.
Some people live for the virgin. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power. Yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. I've been there before, but that life's a bore so full of the supervision. Some people want it all, but I don't wanna let it all. It's written in you, baby. If I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Yeah. Some people search for a fountain. This promise is forever young. Some people need 3 dozen roses. That's the only way to prove you love them. Hand me the world in a silver platter, and what good would it be
if I ain't got you. Yeah, if I ain't got you with me, baby. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chevinia, for that beautiful performance. And after seeing you here performing today, I would say that you truly deserve to be the first winner of Kasurkan Oath Season 1. So I request each and every one of you to kindly please give her a huge round of applause as a mark of supporting her. Now we will be having the Don Bosco Media Network TV Youth Icon Award 2024. Don Bosco Media Network TV is the communication department of the Salesians of Don Bosco in Shillong. We have our TV channel available on OTT for Smart TV, a YouTube channel for social media, and also available on Lelanki Cable Network Channel 279 on the local cable. Similar to Don Bosco, we move with the signs of the time, broadcasting news and events in Meghalaya in English and Khasi. Our content is mostly youth-oriented, and we recognize a youth every year who becomes an icon for others through their activities, awarding them the Don Bosco Media Network TV Youth Icon Award of the Year. And this year, we are very delighted to have Dapale Wardri, owner, founder of Lina Dance and Fitness Academy. In her words, the reason behind starting the academy is because she wanted to impact people as much as possible by giving them the strength and willpower for a healthier and fitter life. She wants to add to the society, but not only that, Dapale wants people, especially the youth, to be confident with themselves, physically, emotionally, and all other aspects that she could reach. Zumba is not only about dancing, it has a much more wider meaning than dancing. But there are also various kinds of dancing that she have been able to introduce to the clients, from kids to youth and people of all ages who comes with so many reasons and objectives that they want to achieve. Her academy is the first who provide or brought Zumba, Strong by Zumba and Zumba tuning into the state, and the response has been immense. It really drives her to see people come forward, and she's able to help them through so many other ways or any other form. As we congratulate Ms. Dapale Wardri, may I invite our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir, and our Director to present her the award. The award consists of a citation, mementos, and a cash of rupees 40,000. I would like to call Dapale on stage, and can you please give her a huge round of applause? She truly deserves this. Thank you so much, sir, and Dapale. And may I also request our Honorable Chief Minister again and our Director to give away the certificate of the winter camp to our graduate students. For your information, For 6 consecutive years, Don Bosco Youth Center has organized a winter computer camp providing deprived students with various short-term computer courses and job placement within the Northeast and other states in India. The camp also aims to engage youth during winter holidays, diverting them from other harmful activities.
The students, please come. Prince Kumar. Prince Kumar, please come. Prince Kumar, and he will receive on behalf of everyone, since our CM is having a hectic time, busy schedule, I mean, he will just give one certificate. You'll give to all? Okay, 10 of them. So Prince Kumar, next. Costinho Tuitung, come first. Bordenfa Ruel Moyon. Bordenfa. Okay, they are late. If you are late, you won't get your certificate. Yeah. Next, Babliski the car. Come, run. You are supposed to run. Okay, Babliski the car. Costin, okay. Next, we have, okay, Bablis. Vicky Rongpi. Where is Vicky Rongpi? And this will be the last one. The others you can receive from your. Okay, the others you can receive from your teacher or from me later. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honor. And without any further delay, now I would like to call Coach Lapidang on stage to kindly give her special performance.
Something told me it was over when I saw you and her talking. Something deep down in my soul said, cry, girl. When I saw you and her walking around, I would rather go blind, boy, than to see you walk away from me, child. So you see, I love you so much that I don't want to watch you leave me, baby. Most of all, I just don't want to be free now. Ooh, I was just sitting here thinking of your kiss and your warm embracing. When the reflection in the glass that I held to my lips now, baby, revealed the tears that was on my face. Ooh, and baby, I'd rather go blind, boy, than to see you walk away from me.
Thank you so much, Coach Lapdyang, for that beautiful song. And now we have come to the most important part, and that is we will be hearing a speech from our Honorable Chief Minister, sir. But before that, we would like to give a small introduction, even though we know that sir doesn't need any introduction, but still we would love to do from our part. So, our Honorable Chief Minister was born on 27 January 1978 in Tura. He is an Indian politician who is the 12th and current Chief Minister of Meghalaya since 2018. He is a member of the National People's Party. He was also a member of Parliament from Tura from 2016 to 2018. He represents the South Tura constituency since 2018 and Salsela constituency from 2008 to 2013. Conrad Sangma Sir was also Minister of Finance, Power and Tourism to the government of Meghalaya from 2008 to 2009. He is a former leader of the opposition in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. He also served as National President of the Nationalist Youth Congress. His father, Purno Sangma, was a former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Speaker of the Lok Sabha, and also a past pupil of Don Bosco. And Sir's mother, Madam Soredini, is a homemaker. Our Chief Minister was brought up in Delhi and was educated at the St. Columba's School there. He received a bachelor's degree in business administration in entrepreneurial management from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania. And before completing his MBA in finance from Imperial College London, apart from politics, our Chief Minister, sir, has been associated with social work as a president of the P.A. Sangma's Foundation, which functions for the betterment of sectors of education and environment, and also run 4 colleges in rural Meghalaya. An ardent lover of young people like his father and also like Don Bosco, he plays the electric guitar and is a fan of the heavy metal band Iron Maiden. So, Honorable Chief Minister, sir, I would like to invite you to kindly come to the dais and deliver your speech. So, please kindly give sirs a huge round of applause.
Before I start, I think I'd like to complete this certificate distribution. I know Father Michael was trying to cut short that part, so I'm defying him in his own center. But I think it's a special moment for the youngsters. I don't want to take that away. If I was in their place, I also would be expecting the Chief Minister would hand over the certificate to me personally. So I think it'll be nice to distribute it to them. So we'll finish this first, and then we'll go to the short speech. Oh, sorry.
Okay. So the students, please come fast. Sir is not in a hurry, but I'm in a hurry. So please come fast. We have Borden Fa Ruel, Vicky Rongpi, Riba Kordor Rani. They are not here, I guess. Frankie Rongpi, Ulrich M. Bla, Evangeline Carbani, Pai Biang Marbo, Lam Jing Kmen Marbo, Angeline Nongrang, P. Bia Mary Lingdo, Wan Shailang El Pakma, Costino Tuitung, Nangkiu Irat Borden Fa Ruel. Come first. Yeah, come first. Yeah, come. Yeah, come.
This will be the tough one now.
Yeah. All the students, please come this side. All the students, please come backstage so that we will not waste the time. Okay. Okay. Your name? One. Jubilee. Come the others. Come inside. Come. Frankie Rongpi.
Just give us, no, it's not there, your name. think now you can read out the names.
Yeah. Frankie Rongpi.
But I think you read out this names first.
Okay. Bordenfa Ruel. Frankie, okay. Bordenfa Ruel. Bordenfa. It's not there. Vicky. Vicky. Vicky, okay.
We got twice.
Okay. Your brother, okay. Riba Cordor Rani. Frankie Rongpi. Frankie Rongpi. She's not there, okay. Evangeline Carvani.
Now it's coming.
Okay. Lam Jing Shai itu. Lam Jing Kemen. Lam Jing Kemen. Angeline Nongrang. Angeline Rong Pi Bia Mary Lengdo. Wan Shai Lang. Okay. Wan Shai Lang. Wan Shai Lang. Okay. Consinio. Okay, Nangkyu Irat. Not there. Okay, they are having classes. Borden Fa. Okay. Next. What's your name, don't you? Come up. Come up. Your name? Barisha. Next. Yours. Jessica. Pick Jessica. Okay. Just 5 more. Okay. Go. Okay. Aldrich. Okay. Come. Chupi. Aldrich. Two of them. Okay. Chupi ke? Huh? Okay, last one. Stand. Push the stand. You will use the stand?
Yeah. It's okay. I'll just talk like this. Father Michael Makri, who's the director of the Don Bosco Youth Center. Father James, who's the economer of the Shillong province. All the other respected Reverend Fathers and brothers who are here today. All the participants who are here. And all the other youth members who are present out here today in this wonderful program. I have a lot to say, but of course I don't want to take much time. But let me start off by saying that I am really very excited to be here today. And I was just listening to the talent that was here, and I have no words to express, but only to say that I think this is maybe one of the best performances I've seen in a very, very long time. And all of you will agree to it. The kind of talent that our youth have performed today and the confidence with which they have performed, it's just outstanding. And I can tell you, I've been to many parts of the world. I can tell you these are international performances that we just saw. So let's have another round of applause for all those who performed today and all those who participated also. So let's have another round of applause for everyone. I also would like to thank Father Michael for having organized this program, and it's a great encouragement for the youth, because I have always believed that we must engage our youth in a positive manner. And that's really the principle with which we work for the youth, and that is the same principle with which we see our Don Bosco Youth Center also working. So I thank Father Michael and the entire Youth Center for this wonderful performance. But before I get into the other parts, which I would like to share with you, I want to say two things. First thing I want to say is that introduction that was given to you about me, they really talked about only the good parts. They didn't tell you the bad things about me. So that's not fair, number one. The reason being that in the last 20 years, a lot of you may not know, but I have been through a lot of defeats, failures, and challenges in my life. I want to share that with you. And I want to tell you that while they were mentioning that he won the election in so-and-so year, and he was finance minister in so-and-so year, and he was member of parliament in so-and-so year, they didn't mention about the 2 elections that I lost. They didn't mention about my government falling. And they didn't mention about the fact that I actually missed my engagement during my marriage because I was busy trying to form a government which never formed. So it's been a struggle. And the first thing I want to tell you as an individual is that you also will go through struggles and challenges in your life. And I hope that whenever these challenges come in front of you, that you will look at them as a chance to be better, to improve yourself. And those challenges are meant to do that. They're meant to make you a better person. Those failures are meant to make sure that you will look inside yourself and ask yourself, where is it I'm going wrong? What is it that I can do to improve? And that is really what life is about. And I hope that all of you will learn from these difficulties and challenges that you will face in your life. And what you are going through today, and what our fathers and the brothers and all the solutions here are trying to teach you, will help you to overcome those challenges. So that's my first message to all of you, and I hope that you will remember this in the future also. Second is more on a lighter note. I always tell everybody that solutions, as they say, there's a master of, something and a jack of all trades. I've noticed solutions are masters of all trades. I don't know if you've noticed this or not. They're masters of all trades. They're not just jack of all trades, they're master of all trades. And I tell you this with a very strong sense of conviction, because I've seen what the solutions can do, and the lives that they have transformed, and the contributions they've made to society. And if you, I'll jokingly tell people that if you give a solutions, if you give them 5 lakhs for construction, they will give you a building worth 50 lakhs. That's how they work. And apart from being the best contractors in the land, they are also the best shapers of the youth. And they are able to really nurture and give you the best opportunities and bring out the best in you. And the reason why that is so, you must remember this. This is the second point I want to make. The reason why it is so is because they work with a sense of passion. For them, everything is meaningful. For them, everything is something that must lead to something important. And they focus on it. And that is why whatever they do, they end up being successful in it, or making sure that whoever they are picking up becomes successful in it. And that's a second message to you. Be passionate like the way the solutions are. The way they take up things and they work with so much of focus and commitment that there is no failure in it. And there will never be a failure if you have passion in the work. So that's my second message to you. Third, of course, again, is slightly on the lighter side. I was speaking to Father James, and he was mentioning that it's so nice to sometimes see you on national TV, and when you speak, you speak so well on so many subjects. So I was telling him that that my father was a product of the Salesians, if you all know. I think you all know it. And he has been somebody who was brought up by the Salesians from a very, very young age of like 7 years old. And so I told them that if Mr. P.A. Sangma was the original product of the Salesians, I am a Xerox copy of it. So we all know that the Xerox copy always comes out not that great, right? It's not like the original. So if I can be, on an okay level as a Xerox product of Salesians, Okay, not an original product, Xerox product, imagine what you can be. So you should remember that you are getting one of the best opportunities to really become something in life, and I hope that you will take those opportunities and move forward in life. Having said that, I'm very, very big, believer and a very passionate person when it comes to the youth. I think all of you know that. And given the opportunity, wherever the chance comes in, I'm always trying to do something or the other for the youth. So having said that, this programs that we're having now, I want to share with you that in the next many months and years to come, because it will be a continuous process, I had in fact started this process a few years back by having what we call the Chief Minister's E-Championship competition. This is a competition for business plans, because I wanted to promote entrepreneurship in our state. And you'll be happy to know that we started off the E-Challenge with 500 applicants in the first year. Second year, we had about 1,200 applicants. And in the third year, we almost touched 2,000 applicants for the, the business plan competition. And like this, today, many, many entrepreneurs are coming forward, because whoever then wins that E-Championship, we choose 100 of them, the top 100, and we give about 5 lakhs to anything to 10 lakhs as grant to each one of them, and anything between 25 lakhs to 50 lakhs as an interest-free loan for them to start their business. And like that, we are helping hundreds of youths to build up entrepreneurship. The reason I'm telling you this is because I have realized in life that competition is a great way to motivate the youth. And we sometimes look at competition as negative, but actually it's a great motivator. It's a chance for you to prepare. It's a chance for you to get busy. It's a chance for the youth to get excited that they're looking up to this competition that's coming up. And hence, I believe in competitions, and I'm very keen, and I would be, of course, working with agencies like the Don Bosco Youth Center, where in the coming months, I plan to start competitions for, we have, of course, for sports. The Meghalaya Games is now picking up in a big way, but we intend to take it down to the district level. But apart from sports, apart from the music competitions, apart from dance competitions that we are planning to have now, so we will be funding. Government will fund competitions for music. Government will fund competitions for dance. Government will fund competitions for sports. So if any organizations, the district level, state level, plan to do this, we will be there to support you, because we want to promote such activities. But while we do that, I also strongly feel that we should use this entire concept of competition even for intellectual competition. And hence I'm hoping, and I hope that Don Bosco Youth Center will also take up. But many, many organizations I'm trying to push, that I hope that you will have tomorrow science competitions. I want innovation competitions. I want mathematic competitions. I want spelling competitions. I want debate competitions. Because yes, our talent is there in music and songs, music and dance and sports. But I think our children have the ability even in science and mathematics. But somewhere there is a sense of fear sometimes in our children. And that needs to be overcome by making all of these different activities more enjoyable and more fun. And hence, we will be funding these programs. And I hope that centers like the Don Bosco Youth Center will take advantage of this and have these kind of competitions, not just in Shillong, but all the way even at the village and the district and the block level. And if there are any other organizations that wish to have these kind of programs, please come forward. We will be working with you hand in hand to ensure that we are having such competitions at different levels. So I have a lot more to say, but I guess this is not maybe a good time or a platform to really go into all of that. But I really once again would like to congratulate Father Michael and the entire Don Bosco Youth Center and all the organizing committee members for this wonderful program. It's a great way, as I said, for the youth to be engaged in a positive manner. I congratulate all the winners and all the participants. And I really would like to thank the judges also, and also our young entrepreneur who has just won the award. So congratulations to you also. And this whole thing, the way it's been set up, it's a very international kind of a setup. I really like the setup also. So really, you have tried to give it the best, and whatever support. I was just talking to Father James, and I was telling him that when it comes to different support from the government side, you will find that the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund is one of the funds that has reached almost every parish or every different schools in our state, at different corners, different denominations that have asked. We have given funds to them. So with this particular scheme, we have been really able to help our different organizations make programs like these. We have supported programs like these. We have supported infrastructure projects. And let me assure you that we will continue to do it, because we feel that it is maybe one of the best ways to ensure that the funds are utilized in the most efficient and productive manner. So I congratulate the Salesians for all the hard work, and really thank them also for all the hard work that they have done in the past many, many years. The contributions they have made is far beyond these competitions. You don't realize that you may enjoy these competitions, but what they are doing is they're changing lives. They are nurturing responsible citizens. They are really making you responsible and giving you the right direction. That's really the value which is being created, which can't be valued in terms of just looking at these prizes. It's priceless, I should say. And hence all of you should be very, very grateful to God for the blessings that He has given to all of you, and to the Salesians for the blessings that they have given to you and the opportunity they have given to you. So without taking things further, I'm sure there's much more left. I can see that the check of 1 lakh is still there. Father, is that for me? Or for my speech? Or is that for the winner? Okay. So that's for the winner, and I'm sure there's many more programs left. So I won't, lengthen my speech anymore. But once again, I wish all of you the very best, and may God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Matela, and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for that beautiful words of encouragement, and also for enlightening our youth. I truly believe that every one of us gathering here today are motivated by you. And sir, as you said that we did not mention any bad things about you, because we all know that the fact that you are here today proves that you have overcome all the challenges in life. So once again, thank you, sir. And without any further delay, now I would like to call Yaman Lang, who was the runner-up of the Kasurkan Unyam, to come forward and give her special performance.
La ngâu lệ ra ban yai ba la i me na dang khin na mano ba kdo em kim ken mau tang ban pen kmen ya la ki lo ki khôn ki kham snow ha ha ba wan la ki jing jen jar ko me ya rap yang a ki dang berkhat ban song ban sa Andala he ki khôn bên văn jinket ki nang yai ban chinh khus lai ki nang buram ako sha haying tang jing ya shu kikmie kikpa ikalam raw halagi ko ngâu lệ ran ban ngam jing neng i me ki kham yet ya ki long shajngai ka men pan pen sarwa kan badang sandang pu sen tiu jing neng i me iknyu anda habala yo ki kun ei mei ban penso ki dang berkhat ban song ban san anda la he ki kun bin ban jinket inang yai ban uram ako siya haying tang jing ya shun kikmie kikpa kikalam raw halagi ko Kublishbon.
Thank you so much, Shamwan Lang, for that beautiful song. So I guess every one of you want to know the result, right? Do you want to know who is the winner of the Kasurkan Oath Season 2? Okay. So before that, I would like to call the director on stage to propose the vote of thanks and to also declare the winner of the Kasurkan Oath Season 2.
Yeah, we have come almost to the end, to the last part of it. And I'm standing here on behalf of Father Primoz, our Assistant Director, the staff of the Bosco Youth Center, Don Bosco Media Network, our Social Communication Department, and on behalf of the thousands of young people who are in the Youth Center. CM Sir, every year we train around 10,000 students in the computer, in media, in the vocals, as you have seen, and then also in soft skills, stenography, tailoring, embroidery, and many other courses. We have around 37 to 38 courses, 40 courses. And every year, out of the 10,000, at least 1%, 1,000 or less than 1,000, we are able to give them job placement, even in the state or outside of Northeast. In fact, some of the students were not able to receive the certificate because they got job placement, and we send them to work in different parts of our country. So on behalf of all the young people, I would like to sincerely stand here and propose this word of thanks. Definitely, I thank God the Father for all the blessings that we have received. And of course, through the intercession of St. John Bosco, whose feast day we celebrate today. And in his honor, we have these competitions. So thanks to our loving God and to our Father Don Bosco. And of course, all the past directors who were here, who in a way start this institution for the young people. Father Chilia, whose birthday was yesterday, he is in heaven, and it is because of him that this youth center existed like this. So I thank all of them. And definitely, CM sir, it was my desire since the first season of Kasur Kunud, because as we always said, our chief minister is the chief minister of young people. It's not of Father Makri, old man, but he is of the young people. And that's why whenever we have a youth program like this, my intention was always to invite him. It never took place. But this time, I really made a special novena and prayer. And that's why the CM is here. And besides that, you know, I am one of a person who does not really depend on others for anything. I try to become a self-independent man. But then I realized with the constant power cut last year, my power was not at all a power. And so I approached RCM sir. And looking at me, probably short man like his father, Purno Sangma, he said, he is embodiment of my father, so let me not say no. And then in a spur of a moment, he signed everything. And to tell you frankly, dear friends who are here, friends of Youth Center, parents of our students who are here, in a matter of 1 week, we received an amount of 13 lakhs for purchasing a generator. And also to extend one more room for our causes. So that's why I said, I told Don Bosco in my prayer, this time please melt the heart of RCM so that he will attend the program. And rightly, his heart melted and he is right here. So therefore, let us thank our CM and give him a thunderous round of applause for all the help he rendered to Don Bosco Youth Center. Thank you so much, sir. And then of course, to his team, I contacted a lot of them, and Alex is there sitting behind. Alex, thank you very much for giving a very, very, a threatening message to the CM that if I don't meet the CM, something is going to happen. And that arrangement went successfully, and that's why I was able to meet our CM that day. Thank you, Alex, and thank you to all the team from the CM. Of course, I would like to thank our superiors, Father Vice Provincial, who was there earlier, the first part of the program. Now he is gone for other programs. Then Father James, our economer, the council members, Father Saji, Father Anthony, who are here, and many other fathers I cannot see anymore because from here it is very dark that side. The Father Rectors and our conference of our Salesians who are here, thank you very much for coming and enrich our program today. I thank in a special way Brother Ben Tailang, who received the Chilia Memorial Award, to our Dapalay. She is also a member of this community, I could say. Every time I needed her support, she will forget her food, she will forget everything, and she will be here for the center. And she deserves this award because she is really an icon for so many young people who are in the center. Thank you so much, Da. I used to call her Da. For all your help and support to our community. Let us give her a round of applause. Then every year when we conduct the competition like this, we have media partners. This time we have Maupor. Bakit is here. Thank you for your support for the well running of this competition. I would like to thank especially the parents of our young people, the parents of those contestants. CM sir, we have these competitions almost running for 2 months. And as you believe in the power of young people, I realize in my stay here in the youth center as the director, the parents also, they believe in their children. Why do I say that? When their children come here early in the morning, you saw some of them are really just 7 years, 8 years who were in the competition. Of course, you were there in the first part of it. 7 years, 8 years, and their parents are the one who accompanied them. They forget about their food, they forget about their drink. They are here in the center in spite of this cold weather because their child is being trained in singing. And that's why I'm really grateful to the parents for supporting your children, for believing in your children. And I believe, this is my faith, that your children will bring glory to you and to your family. Thank you for your support. And let us give them a big round of applause. And of course, to our judges, Kentiu and Bahun, they are really professionals. They have been into singing from their very, very childhood onwards, and we thank them. And we thank 2 of our coaches. For 2 months, they are here every day giving vocal lessons. And one of them is throughout the year. We give vocal lessons to young people who would like to know how to sing. They come here to the youth center every day. But then in these 2 months, for a special preparation for these competitions, we have 2 coaches, Miss Lapadiang and Miss Kenkor, who early in the morning will be here to train those contestants. If you have time, go through our YouTube channel, listen to the blind audition, and listen to the performance today. You will not believe that they are the same singers. They have been transformed. And that is due to these 2 coaches, Miss Kenkor and Miss Lapadiang. Let us give them a big round of applause. Then I thank our Chevinia who performed today. She was the first winner of the first season. Of course, she received the 1 lakh rupees. And we sent her to attend, to take part in the UK Vocal Star. And there also she won. Because of the visa, the passport problem, we were not able to send her to USA for the voice. This year, I believe, we are going to send the winner, which will be announced soon, to USA also to take part in the voice international competition. We try to do the same setup because although I am short, but I made lots of friends at international level when I was in the Philippines and other places. So one of the men who inspired me was Simon. I met Simon when we have the Asia Got Talent. So it was Simon who inspired me, and we keep in touch. So the setup is more or less in this way. It's because of Simon. So I would like to thank him. And he is the one who will also take care of everything if we happen to send our competitor to the USA. I thank also Sarah Geronimo and Catherine Bernardo. These are 2 of my girlfriends. I cannot get married, but I have girlfriends. So these are the 2 girlfriends from the Philippines who are really the backbone of this program. Don't feel jealous. Some of you are feeling jealous. Okay, so these 2 actresses and also singers, both of them, they are like the backbone of our show. Anytime I call them, whether ideas, whether finance also, sometime when our students come, you know that we have sent to Philippines also some of our students from here. We give them job placement in the Philippines also. That's why I said I am short, but I have some connection at international level. So through them, we get some funding also. So on behalf of all of us, I would like to say thank you to Sarah Geronimo and Catherine Bernardo. I will say it in their language because they are watching it live now. Maraming salamat po, which means thank you very much. Okay. I would like to thank our host for this show, Eva. She has done really a very good job in hosting this show. Let us give her a big round of applause. Then I would like to thank our media staff who are doing this camera and broadcasting and sending it to smart TV and OTT and also to local cable and YouTube channel. Thank you for your help. Sir Meaibor, who is looking after the sound, he is also our teacher here. And other media houses who are here, I saw Mr. Jose and other people, and from the CM team also the media house. Thank you very much for your presence and for telling something to the world about the program today. Thank you very much. And last but not the least, to all of you, dear friends, this hall will be empty. I think our CM sir will speak only 2 minutes if you are not here. But looking at all of you, he lengthened his speech. Right? So we thank all of you. We thank all of you for being part of this program today. So if I have left any names, please know that those who are special will be kept in the heart. So I'm not going to mention the names. So you know that I thank you from my heart without telling your name. Thank you very much. Now, without further delay, let us invite on stage all the 10 contestants, the 10 participants. Please come on stage, all the 10 of you. And may I invite Father Anthony Karkongor, who is our Vice Rector, to distribute the certificate of participation to our 10 contestants. And I will invite CM Sir and Father Economer also, after I announce the name, to give away the prize of the check of 1 lakh rupees and also the trophy to the winner. We have only one winner. We follow the style of The Voice International. So there is no second runners-up, no runners-up. There is only one winner who will receive the 1 lakh rupees. Father Anthony to distribute those certificates. Arlene, please come up. Arlene, please receive your award, your certificate. Catherine Nongclau. Catherine. Kit Kupar Nong Si. Bansabet Kong Sni. Ellery Kharkongor. Ellery Kharkongor. Bawan Hun Shisha Kharsati. Imeyaka Sweat. Imeyaka Sweat. Aida Me Shawankar. Bliss Dora Kenriam. And Gwyneth Mautho. Gwyneth Mautho. Thank you, Father Anthony, for doing the honor. Now, may I invite on stage our CM Sir and also Father Economer, Father James. Dear contestants, dear participants, you have really worked very, very hard. In this past 2 months or so, you have gave your best. I know the way you train. I know how you listen to your coaches. You all deserve to be awarded. You all deserve to be given this 1 lakh rupees. Pila tray sitom shisha ngayon ida lagi jong kikmat. Don na pdeng jong pidang step kibasa sha jengay. From far away places, you are here. Even before I wake up from sleep, kata ka pen iba pig tray sitom du ka mensim na du ko tunod. Day tang mapikwa ban yo ya kan silak tangka, Henry pikwa benang ban ruai. An kata ka ngadi ka jinjob, and that is what you are already a champion, a winner. This 1 lakh rupees is only a token, only a token. But you are a winner because you have improved so much. And I used to tell the coaches, every day when I see you, I used to cry silently. I used to cry silently, thanking God for the gift of each one of you, for your talents, and moreover, for your humility. Pilong kibasurit dadu kata. Ada imi si ong le kum ne pile. lagi coach ong le kum tai phile ngasat on pick to haki classroom how you are being trained, and that is what you are a champion. All of you are a champion. All of you are a champion. Please give them a big round of applause. I am really so proud of you. So proud of you. You have made Don Bosco Youth Center great because you have been so humble. And you never say no to anything that we say, the coaches say. And that's why I said you are a champion. Keep doing that, dear children, dear friends. And the stars will be yours. Our CM is here. He has told you, he has promised so many things. And definitely he will support you. Not only the youth center, not only other courses, especially you. And definitely when we send someone to international level, his signature will be so important. His help will be so important. We will be so lucky that he witnessed this day. So thank you very much once again, sir, for encouraging our young people. Let me not give a sermon anymore. I know many of you want to know the prize. And so, without further delay, the third runners-up, just to read the names, of course, will not receive any prize because the prize will be given only to the winner. So on the third place, we have Gwyneth with 134 points. Give her a big round of applause. You can go back. On the second place, we have Arlene with 135 points. Step forward, Arlene. Arlene Yao Pniao. Okay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I announce to you the winner of the 1 lakh rupees and who will represent the state of Meghalaya to international level. And the winner is and the winner is Ellery Karkongor. Please come forward. She will receive the trophy from our CM. She will receive a trophy from the CM and also the check of 1 lakh rupees from Father James, the economer. Okay, so thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Father. And now we will all rise. We will sing a hymn to Don Bosco. After that, refreshment is served here in the basement. Those who would like to take refreshment, and you are free to take picture or spend time with your loved ones. We'll all stand and sing the hymn to Don Bosco. And with that, the program has come to an end.
We see the wonders of your love. You fill him with gifts of nature and of grace to lead young people to their home above. We thank you, O Lord, for Don Bosco. In him we see the wonders of your love. You filled him with gifts of nature and of grace to lead young people to their home above. He was a man profoundly human, open to the signs of the times, and yet he was a man of God. We thank you, O Lord, for Don Bosco. In him we see the wonders of your love. You fill him with gifts of nature and of grace to lead young people to their home above. Enable us to be his helpers, faithful in the service of youth, overcoming hardships with firmness, with hearts filled with your love. We thank you, O Lord, for the Bosco. In him we see the wonders of your love. You fill him with gifts of nature and of grace to lead young people to their home above.
Thank you very much once again. God bless you. See you next year. And please take tea without going.